Hello everyone, welcome to this demo that will be about using Python trove classifiers to give additional guidance to users. And let's get started. So what are trove classifiers? Python ecosystem adopted this idea of trove classifiers. Classifiers are a set of predefined strings that you can use when you are packaging your Python package, and you can state, for example, in what state or what development status the given package is. So you can say it's mature, and this way you let users know about the development status, and users can also find your package in mature development status section. You can additionally browse by API, so you can check also packages that use, for example, Python 3.6 or are claimed to be Python 3.6 compatible. Then you can use another trove classifier to filter just Linux operating system and stuff like that. So this is easy way to explore Python packages on PyPI. So, and as stated, and as you can see, Python developers use these trove classifiers and they state it in the package metadata. So that means we can use these trove classifiers, and we can additionally guide users of Thoth when they are consuming Python packages, and to see, to let them see some aspects of the package they are consuming. Okay, so here you can see the listing that we've already seen. You can browse the content, and if you are a Python package maintainer and you would like to use Python trove classifiers, you can state trove classifier that you find relevant for your Python package in setup py or setup cfj, and in that case the package is automatically classified on PyPI, and as of now it will also the trove classifier will be also used in Thoth's resolution engine. As of now, Thoth uses three types of trove classifiers. The first one is specific to Python or supported Python version. The other one is specific to supported CUDA version. And then there is a trove classifier that is specific to development status. So if a package has inactive development status, then users of Thoth are notified about this fact. We also detect, let's say, immature Python packages that users can consume. So if users of Thoth want to have stable recommendations and the recommended Python package is in alpha phase or beta phase, then we warn about this fact, and that's it. To be more explicit, we warn about incompatibilities. In all cases, we do not adjust resolution as of now, so there is just warning printed. Okay, so let's go to terminal and let's try this feature. I'm in a directory that has a very simple Hello Py application. We have a pip file that states just one dependency, that is argparse, and we can directly call Thoth and ask for an advice. So in this case, Thoth backend is contacted, and Thoth resolves the given software stack. Here you can see results or guidance and recommended stack report. If you take a look closely, you can see a warning that is specific to trove classifier, and the warning says no Python-specific trove classifier matching Python version used. So we are using Python version 3.6. Just to double check, let's check Thoth's configuration file. Here we can see that we are using Python 3.6. And argparse is most probably not compatible with Python 3.6, or the package maintainer did not state it compatibility with Python 3.6. Another entry in the recommended stack report guides us to the project homepage. It guides us specifically to version of argparse that was resolved, and that's argparse 1.4.0. And here you can see all the information, and you can also see that programming language, in the programming language section, there is no Python 3.6 trove classifier. That means there is possibly not the package is not possibly the given package is not compatible with Python 3.6. It might be, but it might be not. That's hence the warning. Similarly, as in this case, we do warnings when CUDA version is not matching, or CUDA version used is not matching CUDA version stated in trove classifier. And then there are trove classifiers that are warning about development status. The first one is warning as stated if recommendation type is stable, but the status of project is not marked as stable. We warn about this fact, and the other trove or the other warning that we produce is when the given project has inactive development status. That most probably means that the project is dead, and the community around the project is also dead, and that's something to consider when using such packages. So if you're interested in this, feel free to browse documentation, and feel free to browse also sources that are available on GitHub. The implementation is in trove classifiers wrap. That is the pipeline unit implementing logic behind Python trove classifiers. This way, I would like to thank you and see you next time.